Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this very simple and easy to make earring. And I also made matching bracelet. But this bracelet I used 2 needles. Very simple, but it's pretty in green. Okay, so we need the rondel glass size 4 mm, rondel glass size 6 mm, and a seed beads size 8, seed bead size 11, the oval pearl, and an earring hook. So let's begin. We need to string, seed bead, glass 4 mm, seed bead, then the 6 mm, seed bead, 4 mm, seed bead again, and then the 8 seed bead, the pearl, seed bead, pearl, seed bead, and 8. Okay, I'm going to just pass through all these beads. Okay, didn't get all. Come on. There you go. And I'll just make a couple of knots here. Okay. This is very easy. Okay, 1, then 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm going to just I started here, so I have to pass the 11. Okay, and I have to exit on the 8. Okay, there. Then I can cut my tail now. So this will be opposite. So I'm going to put the string, seed bead, 4 mm, seed bead, 6 mm, seed bead, 4 mm, seed bead, then the 8 seed bead, the pearl, seed bead, pearl, seed bead. So we're coming out from here, so I have to pass through the other side. There. Oops. There. Okay. Then pass through these beads. And I have to exit to 8. Then opposite now, I have to pick up seed bead, 4 mm, seed bead, 6 mm, seed bead, 4 mm, seed bead, the 8 seed bead, the pearl, seed bead, pearl, and seed bead. Then we have to pass here. See, we're almost done. This is easy, simple. Okay, there. So, exit to 8. Then pick up 7, size 11, seed beads. So, 6, 7. Then we have to pass through here. Okay, and we have to pass one more time to reinforce. And this is almost done. Pass to 8. Then I can start my oops. I can start my knots here, tying knots. 1, 2, then I'm going to make a couple of knots here. 1, 2. Done. Get my hook. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe to my channel. And for those who subscribe, thank you so much. Okay, it's done. It's pretty, huh? Pretty in green. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and God bless everybody.